station ตลาดพลู
ตลาดพลูเอสเซนเนี่ย we are here yeah this one to exchange to stop exchange สีลมลายแพลตฟอร์มจีตลาดพลูตลาดพลู
Galing ako doon, tapos pati interchange to Talat.
ผู้โดยสารสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปรถไฟฟ้ามา Next station ตลาดพลู Interchange with BRT.
And I'm currently in the BTS and I'm going to Talat Plu where How to Make Millions shot their movie. And you know naman gaano ako fan ni Bilkin and I really want to go to that place and I want to really feel the vibe of the location since 5 times kaya ito siyang pinanood sa movie. Really excited to go there. So the past few days medyo makulimlim. Ngayon maaraw na dito ngayon sa Bangkok. There's really a magic in solo traveling. Kahit nakakatakot, nakaka-anxiety siya and laging pasmado yung kamay ko dahil sa kaba. Pero I think it's all worth it because it's very liberating. At tas parang nagagawa mo lahat ng gusto mo, ganyan. Ang mahirap lang, malaki yung gastos kasi ikaw lang mag-isa. Actually last 2023, nakapunta na pala ako dito sa Talat Plu area. Kita ko din nila nung nakadate ko before. So, grabe yung coincidence. Ngayon hindi ko alam kung saan ako bababa. Medyo hindi pa siya yung as in area. Finally arrived here at Talat Plu. Magla-lunch muna tayo. Grabe yung pinagdaanan ko, guys. Iba yung nilakad ko. Hindi ko na na-record kasi kabang-kaba na ako. Asa palagi masakitin yung tiyan, it's safe to just drink Coke than order water or service water. Sunod ko naman pinuntahan ay ang Talat Noi. If nanonood kayo ng vlogs ng mga Thai actor, lagi silang nagpupunta dito kaya gusto ko rin siyang puntahan. Itong Talat Noi, it's really known for its historic neighborhood. Kilala rin siya sa street art. Tapos makikita mo rin dito yung sobrang Chinese cultured area. Makikita mo rin dito yung pinuntahan nila Te New na temple. To be here, it's a nice blend of old and new culture influence here in Bangkok. Alam niyo, there's something with temples and Chinese altars. Talagang parang peaceful yung dating sa puso ko at sa utak ko. Kaya gustong gusto ko talagang pumapasok at feel yung moment and atmosphere. Ewan ko, there's a good energy inside temples. Grabe guys, meron akong na-discover na location. Nandito lang siya sa may before sunset, yung parang sikat na ice cream store dito banda sa may tapat ng Wat Arun. And may siya, chill place siya. Hindi mo kailangang gumastos or bumili ng coffee para lang makapag-chill dito dahil meron silang parang veranda, ganyan. Tapos ito yung view mo. Now it's currently 4 p.m. in Bangkok time and I'm waiting for the moment na mag-light up yung Wat Arun. Gusto ko siyang makitang mag-light up. It's gonna be magical for sure. Tapos ngayon nakakatuwa kasi akala ko walang mga tambayan dito. Akala ko kailangan mong gumastos for restaurants, kailangan mong gumastos for a cafe or something like that or magpa-reserve. But guys, meron chill place dito and you should hang out your free time or spare time pag nandito kayo sa Bangkok.